So here's another video I've been wanting to do for a while. Jada versus Greenlight on Brian's Subaru STi. So we got the Jada. Is a little bit larger, but I'm still kind of thinking that Greenlight is going to win out overall. I think it's going to have a little bit more quality. So this guy, and see, a little dusty. Had this guy for a while. Guessing that's gonna be fun to get out. Definitely very solid package. So let's dig in. Sorry, I just wanted to quickly show the package again. Greenlight did a really good job on this, and I love the fact that it comes in a nice little display case if you do want to display it without the box. Versus Jada, kind of just, simple box, but it works, right? Alright, so if you take Jada out of the box, you get that, versus Greenlight. I think Greenlight wins. Okay, got my Subaru screwdriver to get these Subarus off of their bases. So, if you can't already tell, I'm a bit of a Subaru fanatic, and I'm going to be a little bit nitpicky on these. Held on by one screw. Easy enough. And the Greenlight Subaru. Quite a bit of a size difference. I wasn't expecting to be that much. But in this comparison or versus, I'm not going based on the size difference. I am going based on the details. So, with that kind of size difference, I'm expecting Jada to win, right? Now, the price point is a little bit different. I believe the Greenlight was around the $10 mark, and I'm guessing that this one was around $6 or $7. So you are paying a little bit more for the Greenlight, and it's a little bit smaller. Okay, so chassis-wise, well, it's kind of a no contest. Even with the Greenlight being that much smaller, you get a whole lot more detail, actually. I mean, you get the detail in the control arms even. And, they're actually quite similar. I'm impressed in that part. It's actually really close to each other. I'm guessing both companies actually used a real model or a real STi to kind of get the chassis. But Greenlight definitely did a lot more detail, and this is actually a separate plastic piece that's attached to there versus the Jada. It goes straight through. Okay. Wow. So, even with it being that much of a size difference, look at the Greenlight and how sharp its tampos are versus Jada. Not quite as sharp, and the taillights on the Jada are just plastic inserts. There's nothing to them. Versus the Greenlight, look at the detail. There's quite a bit of detail in there, and you've got your amber and your red brake light. Very nicely done. And the exhaust tips are yikes on the the Jada versus very nice sharp detail in the Greenlight. And the Greenlight, yep, that is a separate piece for the windshield wiper blade versus Jada. It's some kind of dinky little thing embedded in the window. So, side view. The Greenlight has the red pinstriping, has the STi logo right here. Actually, it has the little STi emblem like this actually sticks out a little bit versus Jada. It's smooth. There's actually nothing there. Now on the wheels, I think Jada's actually going to take this. I know there's a little bit of a ding right there, but I definitely like the wheels on the Jada better, so Jada wins there. And the Greenlight has mirrors. Check that out. And the Jada, nope. Okay, so taking a look at the front. Well, I mean, that's a night and day difference. Because you actually have like the amber and certain signals on that one. I mean, you can actually see the intercooler here with the brand logo on it. And the fog lights are actually separate pieces in there. That's amazing. Quite a well detailed grille in the Greenlight. Jada, it actually has some detail, so I'm happy there. It leaves a lot to be desired. And oh wow, the hoods are quite a bit different. So this one has the hood pins, the Jada doesn't, but the Jada has these extra scoops which actually look amazing. Forgive me, but I don't actually know if Brian's actually had it or not. But if it does, then Jada would be the clear winner right there. Let me know in the comments. So this one actually has, looks like a separate piece for the scoop on the top, which is very nice, versus Jada is this sort of a dimple going on. And so, let's see. The Jada actually opens. Oh, there's a piece of tape there. No one has a pain. The Jada's door opens, and we can get a good look at the interior. Got the red roll bars. Very, very, very nice. And the Greenlight does not open. Okay, so I tried taking the Greenlight apart. That was just one screw, but apparently there's a screw hiding underneath the muffler, and I really don't want to break this one because I plan on keeping this one, put it in my display. But let's take a look, see if we get at least somewhat of a look on the interior. So look at the detail. Like, it's actually got like the silver trim everywhere, and even on the steering wheel it has the silver, which is very nice. And it has the red roll cage as well, very sharp. And it's actually a little bit more complete than the Jada. Kind of disappointed the Jada doesn't have any detail whatsoever, at least color-wise, on the interior. But at least you get to open the door, right? Get to see it. Very cool. So if you guys were shopping in the store, would you rather pay a few bucks more and get the Greenlight that is slightly smaller but highly detailed, or the Jada that is, you know, a couple bucks cheaper and larger, but actually quite a bit less detailed? Very curious to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Of course, I'm going to be a little bit biased toward Greenlight. I'd prefer to have the Greenlight, but the Jada is still a welcome addition to my collection. So guys, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, happy hunting.